One bad day is turned into a week of bad days. To spend the morning with me glowing up. You feel like you're getting into a downward spiral right now and you desperately want to get out of it, and hopefully this will help you. Washing my hair makes me feel like a brand new woman. Yes, I'm a natural girly and I like to sit in my pajamas. Having greasy hair is just a step too far for me. Wash my hair with shampoo and I give it a really good scalp massage. Then I wash it off and add conditioner just to the ends. I make sure my hair is a little bit more drier for this step. It really will absorb into the hair a lot better. When I'm waiting for that conditioner to brew, I then start doing my hygiene routine, which in the shower is using Sanex, which is so gentle for your skin. You can use Sanex for pretty much anywhere on your body. It makes me feel actually clean, like it gets rid of all the dirt and grime. And I do this religiously every time I get out of the shower. I use the Sunday Foam vanilla scent all over my body. It is literally like whipped cream all over your body. It smells amazing. Whilst I'm in the bathroom, I wash my face with the gentle foam cleanser. Do you know that morning glow when you wake up and you like look at yourself and you're like, wow, my skin's popping? Actually, that is sweat. So you need to make sure that that sweat has left your face before you start using your skincare.
When I do my full body routine, I literally feel like a different woman. I always start with Nala's body lotion. It's actually made for babies, so it's so good for sensitive skin. I've recently introduced my Current Body LED face mask into my routine and it is so good for my rosacea. It takes all the inflammation down and it definitely improves my skin. I will put a discount code down below for you.
When I say that this perfume has me in a chokehold, like, oh my sweet lord, it smells like a vanilla ice cream. It's just, I want to smother myself in it all the time. Prepping your hair is so important. I'm allergic to hair colour, so this is the only thing I can use. It's the John Frieda Go Blonde brightening spray. All this does is just lighten up my roots. This is my ride or die. This is Guardian Angel heat defense spray. It smells amazing. So make sure you're putting heat defense spray on, girl. Even like the UV rays in the summer can really damage your hair. I want it to be like bone dry, so I'm going to leave it just a couple of minutes. Before I do that, I'm just going to put some of this L'Oreal Paris Elvive Glycolic Gloss. My ends at the moment are just so dry. Girl has done so much maintenance to her hair. I feel like it deserves a whole video. This makeup look has got me in a chokehold right now. Let me zoom you in so we can go through my everyday makeup routine. Some of these products are drugstore as well. I've been using this Luminate CC cream. Got any little bit of redness in your T-zone, just color correct it. I can't even tell you how much of a slump I've been in recently. You know when you're like, oh, I'm having a bad day, and then it turns into a bad like week? I cannot be in sad girl club one more day. Like, that it's just not gonna happen. I use 1.5 shade in that CC cream, by the way, and it is half the price of the It Cosmetics CC cream, which is why I love it so much. And I say this is a hidden gem at the moment in the drugstore. Rimmel Multitasker 3-in-1 bronzing stick. I can actually apply this directly on my skin because it just melts so easily. I'm scared to say, but it might even be better than my nude stick. Zoeva Pal Perfect Lipstick Pencil, like a true peachy neutral shade. It's a multitasking pencil. I'm using it as a little base for my lips as well. When you put a little bit more colour to your face, it just makes you feel like 10 times better. I've got a little bit of reminiscence of fake tan at the moment. I've actually done a video, if that's live, I will link it down below. Thank freaking god fake tan was invented. That's all I can say. I've got a little mini to use of the Hourglass concealer. Quite full coverage so far. I'm feeling like it might be a bit too much for me. You've got to use like the smallest amount. Who are your favourite creators that you're watching on YouTube at the moment? Helen Anderson. She is like one of my ride or dies. The MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. I always use this on my eye. Just going to take a little bit of it on the perimeters of my face as well. New fave at the moment is the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Waterproof mascara. The only thing I worry about with waterproof mascaras, and I'm yet to like notice whether it does, is whether it actually damages and dries out my lashes. Adding my holy grail Laura Mercier, I like it to just cement onto my face. Although I love glow, in about an hour I'm gonna get even more glowier. I'm just gonna finish off with the L'Oreal Faux Brow 2-Day Brow Tint. It's got 2 prongs on there. Because there's a gap in between, it looks way more natural. Trying out this Kosas Cloud Set setting spray. You know what time it is, we're gonna do hair. These are Revamp hair straighteners, just the same brand as my hairdryer. I've been using them for years now. 3 different settings on here as well, fine, medium and coarse. This is exactly how I curl my hair. I just cannot be arsed and I want it to last a couple of days and look amazing. It's not your usual straightener curl, so let me take you through it. If you have thicker hair, you need to section it. I'll show you first on this piece of hair, this way, away from your face. Clamp it and twist straight away, go round and then just keep going round, and then go round again, drop it down. Basically twisting it with the straighteners. Got to make sure it's completely cool before you start brushing it out. I actually brush it out with a brush. People get really scared to brush out their curls, but honestly, if you want it to look natural and beachy and almost like you've just woken up with this beautiful wavy hair, definitely brush it out. If your hair is cool and it's completely set, you'll have no problem. I've been really enjoying seeing new faces on my channel. Never thought I'd be able to do is like make money from YouTube, and recently I've been able to do that thanks to you guys. I'm only a small creator, and like there's so many other big creators out there that you could watch, but you choose to watch me, and it fills my heart so much. After a couple of days of doing these rituals, you'll get back to yourself. I'm with you. Some days it's really hard to like keep your chin up, feel like you're in a rat race a little bit, and you're just going to work, you're coming home, you're making dinner. You might not think that these little details matter, but self-love, it matters. If you want more videos like this, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.